My name is Pawan Kumar Palankar. My USN is 3PG15ME049, Mechanical Engineer, A section. My seminar topic is ultrasonic technique for the hidden corrosion reduction. Plan for the presentation: introduction, non-destructive test, ultrasonic waves, principle of the ultrasonic inspection, how it works, how it used, portable instrument, advantages, limitation, and conclusion. In introduction, corrosion is the one of the serious problem affecting the Air Force and the other aviation industries. If it affects the aircraft and on its wings and the surface between the fastener and the joints, the presence of the corrosion is under depth of the paint of the surface between the joints are not easy to be detected. The unnoticed presence of the corrosion maybe causes the aircraft crash and money losses and human. To detect the corrosion present on the metal surface, the various methods and the non-destructive tests are used. In photography of the external and the internal corrosion defect in an 8-inch pipe specimen. In external corrosion and the internal corrosion. In external corrosion will be detected, but for difficulty to internal corrosion will be very difficult to detect it. Next subtopic is destruction test, non-destruction test. Non-destruction test is the name suggests that is the testing procedure without any damage the part being tested. The various non-destructive tests are used: visual inspection, X-ray inspection, magnetic particle inspection, eddy current inspection, ultrasonic inspection, dielectric inspection. And another subtopic is ultrasonic waves. What is meant by ultrasonic waves? Ultrasonic waves are the sound waves in which the frequency of the greater than 20 kilohertz, the frequency ranging from 0.1 to 15 megahertz. The principle used in the ultrasonic technique is a propagation and the reflection of the sound waves from the defect media. In this method, the beam of the high frequency of the sound waves are introduced into the material used to detect the surface and subsurface flaws. This inspection can be conducted on the wide variety of the material from including casting, welding, and the composites. Another subtopic is principle of ultrasonic inspection. Ultrasonic waves are introduced into the material where they can be travel in a straight line and at a constant speed until they can be encounter a surface. At the surface interface of the sum of the wave energy is reflected and the transmitted. The amount of reflected and transmitted of energy can be detected and provides the information about the size of the reflector. The travel time of the sound can be measured and they provide the information on the distance that the sound has to travel. How it works: the ultrasonic testing and the ultrasonic transducer connected to a dilation machine is passed over the object being inspected. The transducer is typically separated from the test object by the components such as oil. In case the transducer will be both sends receives the waves. There are several methods of receiving the ultrasonic sound waves: reflection and attenuation, etc. In reflection mode, the transducer performs both the sending and receiving the pulsed wave as the sound echo is reflected back to the device. The reflection occurs due to the presence of discontinuity in the surface of the test material. The amount of reflected sound waves is displaced versus time, which provides the inspection information about the size and the location of the future and reflected the sound. How it is used: ultrasonic waves can be used in the three regimens depending on the inspection distance: short range, medium range, long range. In short range it is very lesser 1 meter, and medium range up to about 5 meter, and long range up to about around 100 meter. In attenuation mode, two transducers located on the opposite side of the specimen used. One transducer acts as a transmitter and the other acts as a receiver. Using the component increase the efficiency of the process by reducing the loss in the ultrasonic waves energy due to separate between the surfaces at where the defect will be taken inside the material. At the time receiver will not be receive the waves, it will be indicated in the graph with the little variation of the intensity, thereby the detecting the defect by the attenuation mode. In portable instrument, there are Panda automated scanning system and the ultrasonic gauging. In Panda automated scanning system, the Panda can be confirmed for the guiding the wave inspection, providing the cost-effective and particle non-destructive evaluation. The Panda arm can be operated vertical and the horizontal orientation and scan counter and the edges surfaces. Measure can be made in the pulse of echo as well as pitch catch modes which piezoelectric transducer probes. Ultrasonic gauging is the one of the instrument of portable instrument, is a rotating utilized in the petrochemical and utility industry to determine the various degree of corrosion. And its advantages: high penetration power, which allows the detection flaws deep in the part, greater accuracy than the other non-destructive methods, non-hazardous to operation, electronic equipment provide instantaneous result. Its limitation: surface must be accessible to transmit ultrasound. Manual operation requires careful than by the express technique. It requires a coupling medium to promote the transducer of the sound in the test specimen. Overall conclusion of this topic is: in the past, non-destructive test of the hidden corrosion was a difficult challenge. However, in the last decade, substantial advance in the non-destructive test methodology and software have made the challenge much more trackable. In summary, the future looks bright for existing technique and for improving the field non-destructive test capability to detect hidden corrosion. Thank you all.